Black is black on my baby back. Grey is grey since she went away. What can I do? 'Cause I've been blue. If I had my way, she'd be back today. But she don't intend to see me again. What can I do? I've been blue. I can't choose, it's too much to lose. My love's too strong. Maybe she would come back to me, then I can't go wrong. Black is black, and I feel so sad. This time is time, but I found peace of mind. What can I do? 'Cause I've been blue. I can't choose, it's too much to lose, and my love's too strong. Maybe if she would come back to me, then I can't go wrong. Black is black, I want my baby back. This grey is grey since she went away. What can I do? 'Cause I've been blue. I've been blue. Well, hi there pluckers, I was Sore Fingers again with another classic song for you. A song called Black is Black by Los Bravos. Okay, some years ago this one was done. Standard tuning as usual, no capos, doing the same key as Los Bravos. Put the song out many years ago. So it starts off with this iconic intro, and I'm doing some palm muting. I'm just resting the back edge of my hand near the bridge somewhere on the bassy strings, yeah, to give it that sort of bassy sort of sound. You can just do it straight, whatever you prefer, okay. And what I'm playing there is the 2nd fret on the 4th string, 2nd fret on the 5th string, open 4th string, back to the 2nd on the 4th. Then you go back to the 5th string on the 2nd fret, open 4th, back to the 2nd on the 4th, and just repeat that little sequence, okay? Okay? Now the 2nd phrase is open 4th, open 5th, 2nd on the 5th, open 4th, right? Then back to the open 5th, 2nd on the 5th, open 4th, open 5th, 2nd on the 5th, open 4th. Right, so very slowly. Okay, got the idea? And so you can either do it straight or you can do it palm muted or whatever. So obviously at normal speed it's something like okay, you do that whole thing twice. Well, I did it twice. On the record they go on for about 30 seconds doing that, because it builds up. It starts on the bass and guitar, and then the organ comes in, etc. And ends up with the whole band playing it. Okay. If you've got a second guitarist playing with you, you can get him or her to play whilst you're playing the riff. You can go E minor to D. Okay. Okay. So it's just E minor and D for that riff. Okay. Starts on E minor, da 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 D, da 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 da, and so on. Okay. So right, let's get to the verse. Right, after you've done that riff 2 times round, or how many times you want to do it, into the verse, and the verse is E minor. Black is black, D. I want my baby back, E minor. It's grey, A major. Since she went away, oh D. Okay, so let's just go through that whole thing up to that point from the intro. We do 2 lots of the intro, okay? Slowly. Again. There we go. Black is black. I want my baby back. It's grey, hey. Since she went a D away. And I do. Right, the next bit is E minor, because I'm feeling D, blue. Okay, so let's put the whole verse together now. Black is black. I want my baby back. It's grey, hey. Since she went oh D. What can I do? E minor, cause D. After you've done the single stroke on the D, you need to go into, you don't have to, but there's a riff there, okay, which is basically the second riff of the intro. Open 4th, open 5th, second on the 5th, open 4th, open 5th, second on the 5th, open 4th, and so on. Okay, so then we go into another verse. Okay, other than that, just stay on the D and just hum it or something. Okay. Okay, so the whole thing from the beginning, okay, and then basically the song repeats everything again until we get to the bridge section, which I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so from the intro. Black is black. Baby back. It's grey is grey. Since we went away, what can I do? Cause I'm feeling blue. And so on into the next verse and chorus. Okay, got that? Right, so when you've gone through the next verse and chorus and you come out of that where are we? What can I do? I'm feeling blue. We go into E minor. I can choose, sort of stabby, okay? I can choose E, F sharp minor, 2nd fret, bar chord minor, 2nd fret, and then bar, and then the 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string with 13 and pinky. Up to a G major chord, bar chord, 3rd fret, and then we do a rundown, okay, however you want to do it. It's just a rundown from the G to F sharp to F, 1 fret at a time, down to an E chord, okay, so that bit goes E minor, I can choose, F sharp minor, too much to lose, G, my love's too strong, ba ba ba, E, ba 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 ba, A, ba ba ba. bit of a pause, and then F sharp minor to a B bar chord, 2nd fret bar chord, okay, because you're already on the F sharp bar chord, F sharp minor bar chord, and then just change it to a B holding the 2nd fret bar, 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings on the 4th fret with a single finger or 3 fingers, like that or like that, or however some people use their pinky. Okay, got the idea? F sharp minor, quick F sharp minor to B. Okay, so the whole middle section again, coming out of the second. Let's just do the let's do the second verse going into that. Okay, so we get the whole thing. So here we go. If I had my way, she'd be back today. She don't intend to see me again. What can I do? 'Cause I'm feeling blue. I can't choose, there's too much to lose. My love's too strong. Walk down, crazy would come back to me, then I can't go wrong. Bad is bad. Okay, and then we're off into the next verse, and again the next sort of chorusy bit, and then it does another middle section, the old E minor, F sharp minor, G bit. Then it goes into the final verse. Okay, so we'll just do the final verse and I'll show you how it finishes. Okay, so coming out of the final middle section, bridge section, going to black, black is black. Go last verse. Black is black, same as usual. I want my baby back. This grey is grey, since she went away. Whoa, whoa. What can I do? 'Cause I'm feeling blue. I'm feeling blue. That's how it finishes. Okay, so after you've done the verse, you do the usual. It goes through exactly the same, and you come out of that. Well, I can, because I feeling blue riff, E minor, because I feeling riff twice, F, however you wish to play it, bar chord or simple, whichever you want to do, F, G, however you wish to play your G, D, ba, ba, ba. You can go F, ba, ba, or ba, 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 however you wish to do it, but it's F, G, D, okay, end of song. So there you have it. So just once more, last verse at normalish speed, okay. Black is black, want my baby back. Is grey, since she went away. Oh, what can I do? 'Cause I'm feeling blue. 'Cause I'm feeling blue. And there you have it, boys and girls. Classic song from Las Provas, Black is Black. Hope that brings happy memories back to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.